How to post on Twitter or X. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily create a new post on the Twitter app. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your X or Twitter app and make sure that it is up to date. And then log into your account. So once you are logged in, all you have to do here is tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. So what this will do is it will allow you to make a post. First thing first, you will have an option to enter any text you want. So just enter the text, and from here you also have an option to add pictures from your gallery. So just tap on this gallery option to open up your camera roll. If you want to add any kind of GIFs, you also have that. If you want to add a poll, just tap right here. You can enter your choices and your question. And if you want to change who can reply to your post, you can choose everyone, only verified accounts, only the accounts you follow, or only accounts that you mention. So these are all of the available options that can reply to your post. You also have an option to add your location, but for that you'll have to allow the location access from your device to this app. So once you do that, if you want to add another post, you can tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, and from here you can add your post as well. So once you do that, you can just tap on post all by creating a post, and your post should successfully be created. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.